Welcome back. Anyone managing projects knows that feeling, right? Drowning in manual updates, tracking dependencies. It just eats up so much time.
It really does.
So, like always, we've been browsing the AI agent store, looking for tools that might actually, help cut through that. And today we landed on one called Dart AI.
Yes, Dart AI. It's definitely made a name for itself, particularly in workflow automation. Seen as a top agent for that, actually.
Okay, so let's get into it then. What's Dart AI all about at its core? They call it AI native. What does it really mean for the user?
Right, so AI native means it's not just an old tool with some AI features bolted on. It was fundamentally built with AI from the start. Its whole logic for planning, assigning tasks, tracking progress, it's all based on AI capabilities.
So it thinks differently.
Exactly. Its mission is basically to automate project tasks, streamline workflows, handle reporting, essentially reduce all that manual effort.
That distinction feels important. Okay, so who is this really built for? Who gets the most out of this kind of AI-driven approach?
Well, the information suggests it's really tailor-made for anyone feeling overwhelmed by project complexity. Think project managers, naturally, but also productivity teams, software developers, marketing teams managing campaigns, even HR teams running projects.
So pretty broad, anywhere routine tasks are a drain.
Precisely, where those tasks take away from strategic thinking.
Now this is where I got really interested. I saw a figure, something like 81% autonomy. That sounds huge. Can you unpack that a bit? What does 81% actually look like day to day?
Yeah, that 81% it's quite something. It means Dart AI can genuinely handle the vast majority of those routine, admin-heavy tasks on its own. Things like, scheduling, assigning tasks based on who's available, tracking progress automatically as updates come in, even managing project data.
Wow. So for a PM, that could mean, what, getting a day back a week, maybe?
Potentially, yes. Moving from just updating things to actually thinking about the project strategy. The AI isn't just ticking boxes, it's proactively helping with planning. It suggests roadmaps, helps set realistic dates, prioritizes things intelligently.
Okay, so it's actively guiding things. But where does the human manager fit in then, if it's 81% autonomous?
That's the key question. Human oversight is still crucial. You need someone for the initial setup, defining the actual goals, and for handling those really complex, nuanced problems that need judgment or like creative solutions. The AI is the super efficient assistant, not the boss.
Got it. That makes sense. Let's talk practical examples then. What are some of those specific aha moments people have with Dart AI?
Users often point to how it can automatically break down big tasks into smaller subtasks. That's a big one. Or how it manages dependencies. If one thing slips, it can adjust the downstream tasks automatically. Saves a lot of headache.
Oh, I can see that being useful.
And another big one, detecting duplicate tasks. Seems small, but duplicates can really kill productivity quietly in the background.
Yeah, definitely experience that. It's about using those AI insights to make the whole process smoother.
Exactly. Enhancing every part of the project lifecycle.
So if we step back and look at the bigger picture, how does Dart AI help different teams or functions within a company work together better?
Well, what's really interesting is its ability to kind of act as a central brain for the project. It helps streamline how information flows between different groups. Imagine you've got, say, marketing and development working on the same product launch. Dart AI can help keep their workflows synchronized
How does it do that?
by cross-referencing information, checking data consistency between what different teams are doing or reporting. It helps create this unified view of the project.
So breaking down those data silos we always talk about.
Right. Everyone's working off the same current information, and that leads to pretty significant gains in productivity and honestly just saves a ton of time across the board.
So bottom line for you listening, what does this all mean? It sounds like Dart AI is really engineered to simplify project management, make it more efficient, so you can focus less on the admin and more on the actual strategy, the important stuff.
Yeah, and thinking about this, it does raise a really important question for all of us, doesn't it? As these AI tools get smarter, like Dart AI, how do we figure out that new balance, between essential human oversight and the incredible efficiency automation offers, especially for complex projects?
That's a great point, something to definitely mull over. Well, thank you for joining us for this conversation today. If you found this useful, maybe take a second to rate the discussion. It genuinely helps other people find it.
And if you want to explore Dart AI or find other agents like it, do check out AIagentstore.ai.